Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. I'm gonna show you all methods that allow you to charge this device. The first one is of course by using the USB cable, which is included inside the box. And what you can do is of course plug the USB cable into your device and then the other end of the USB device to the charger. Of course, the charger itself is not included in the box, so you either need to use the old charger from your previous device or you need to purchase a charger from the Xiaomi store, for instance, or any other store in fact. And by doing so, of course, you can charge your device like this. Of course, instead of the charger, you can also connect it, for instance, to your laptop or PC. This also works, however, the charging speed is much slower compared to the default charger. And the other way to charge your Xiaomi 14T or 14T Pro is by using the wireless charger, because we have wireless charging available on this device. And in order to do that, you need to of course place your device somewhere in the middle of this wireless charger. So I'm gonna place it like so. And there we go. You can see the information that I am charging my smartphone like that. So we have two main methods of charging. We have the USB cable and of course the wireless method as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.